Hello, this is Ricardo Ledesma. This is my video for the enhancement 6 for this week. This week we are working with the login process, and the steps to complete these enhancements is first create a new view in the view folder, create a new file, a PHP file, which name is admin.php. And in this one, we will create a view to display the information of the users that is logging. Then we will create an if statement to verify if the user is logging, and if it's not logging, if he wants to go to the admin.php file, it will send this user to the main controller because he's not logging. And if the user is logging, they will display in the admin.php view, they will display his information, name, email address, and user level. And then register a new user, which name is admin, with those characteristics, and assign the client level 3. And after doing that, create a process, an if process that verify what the client level is. If the client level is greater than 1, it will display a link that will bring him to the product controller. And if the client level is equal to 1, that link will not be appear. And then process the logout process. And this is the 5 credit code. Okay, so let's start with the view. Okay, here I have my main controller, and I'm gonna try to log in with a user that I created before. Okay, this is the password. Okay, as you see, this user is logging. It shows the information. I have here my logout link, and my account link is not shown because the user is logging. Now let's check the CSS here. So everything's okay. And with the HTML, I will copy this code because I have some problem verifying this, and go to the verification page. I'm gonna paste it and check it. Now, as you see, only errors coming from PHP code is shown. There's anything error from HTML, so I suppose that the HTML code is okay. That's because if I try to verify here with the tool, it gives me an error with the file. Okay, but everything is okay. So now I'm gonna try to log out. Okay, and try to log in with the user with rights, with the client level on 3. Okay, this is the password I'm gonna copy, and is admin, and this is the password. Okay, as you see, this is level 1. Now let's go to the okay, let's edit this and set client level to 3. Okay, now it's client level 3. So let's go to the login view, log out, and log in again. Now that we changed the client level. As you see, when I change the client level, we have here a link who, if I click it, it will brings me the product management or the product controller. Now I can go to the product, add a new product or add a new category. Okay, so now I will log out. Okay, so now what I'm trying to do to get my 5 extra points is try to access the new product, the add new product view if I'm not logging. So if I'm not logging, I'm gonna here go to view and new prod.php. Okay, as you see, when I try to go this, it brings me to the main controller because I'm not logging. And if I'm logging, and the user does not have the appropriate try to access, let's try to do it. Acme new product. Okay, it's bring me here, and if I'm go to view new cat.php, says the same. This is because in those 3 views at new category, I set up here this PHP if function. The same is happening here. This prevent me that if the user is not logged in, it will bring the main controller. And if the client level is 1 or less than 1, it will bring. So that means that the user does not have rights, the appropriate right to go there. The same happens to the product controller. Okay. Well, I think that this says this is the whole process of the video. Okay, say goodbye.